Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment, install an Android emulator like BlueStacks, or choose a native Windows/Mac OS Authenticator. Make sure your PC has internet and at least 1 GB free so installation runs smoothly. Once the emulator is installed, open its Play Store, sign into your Google account, and download Google Authenticator. This step sets the stage. Without the app, you cannot generate codes locally. So verify the app launches, and you can access its setup screen. Now you add accounts inside the Authenticator. Open the app in the emulator and tap the plus sign to add a new entry. On the website or service you want to protect, go to two-step verification and pick the Authenticator app option. You will see a QR code or a 16-character key. Use the emulator's camera/QR tool to scan the code, or type the key exactly into the app, because accurate input creates the shared secret that produces valid one-time codes. Finish by verifying the setup. Enter the 6-digit code shown in Authenticator into the website to confirm pairing. You should see immediate acceptance. Make sure you save the 16-character backup key and enable recovery options so you can regain access if the PC is lost. If codes don't work, check time synchronization. Emulator time must match network time precisely. If needed, sync the PC clock, restart the emulator, and repeat verification to resolve timing mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.